Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And every day we have to eat and eat. 这个 Alice 认识我这么久了，都知道我很喜欢吃
看得出来。
所以呢，今天呢，我们继续教跟吃有关系的一些单词。
好啊，
尤其是跟菜有关系。好了，
对，
因为其实这个菜这个字啊，在中文里面啊，就是不管是要吃饭啦，要买菜啦，有菜单啦，煮菜啊，都是用菜。但有时候可能是里面有肉啊，对不对？但是我们都叫它菜。
买菜喽。
It's really interesting. In the Chinese language, when we refer to meals, to any food, generally we use the term vegetable. 可能我们祖先很健康啊，都喜欢吃菜，对不对？所以菜怎么说呢？
菜
就是菜 That's vegetables. But in general, it could also mean a meal, any type of food. It's time to eat. 菜
Yeah.
All right? Then when you go to a restaurant, you would need the menu. 我们去餐厅的时候呢，通常都会说，菜单，给我看菜单嘛，对不对？菜单怎么说呢？
菜单
That's the menu. 那我们要造一个句好了，请给我菜单。How do you say, give me the menu, please?
呛拿菜单本爱。
呛拿菜单本爱。
那菜单的海陆腔，菜单。
好像有菜又有蛋在里面啊。
是菜单。
菜蛋 Okay, a different dialect sounds like veggie eggs, but it's actually just a different way of saying menu 菜蛋。Okay, and finally, to cook 要煮菜，这个 Alice 很拿手，对不对？
蛋炒饭。
才这样子吗？都还没有吃过你煮的菜耶。
好啊，哪一天来啊？
那哪一天我们一起煮蛋炒饭好了。你煮蛋，我煮饭。好，煮菜 cooking. How do you say that?
煮菜。
煮菜 All right, let's make a sentence out of this. His cooking skills are excellent. 他煮菜的功夫一流，怎么说？
技煮世界数你懂 you。
技煮世界数你懂 you。懂 you 就是很好这样子，是不是？ Okay, that last two words means it's excellent, it's great. His cooking skills are very great. All right, let's review these terms. Vegetables or food in general, 菜 Then you have the menu at a restaurant, 菜单
菜单
And finally, to cook, 煮菜
煮菜
And there you have it, all about eating again right here on Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.